power of the light. Like you don't. The reason why you don't have this whole thing in your mouth because it don't need to go into the front teeth. That
and
light.
I'll show me bottom down, so I'll show like a good view.
Perfect. Because they need to know how powerful that blue light. The blue light is fucking awesome. It kills. It's UVA rays. Well, think of it as a UVA ray, but just in the blue light. Blue light for dental equipment, medical equipment. We always put it under, or even aesthetic equipment. We put in the UV sanitizer, which has a blue light. Car washes have red and blue lights now because to keep the paint in, to make that wax solidify into the paint, because it's almost like cured, like a light cured application. Sort of how you get like your gel nails. And how does that dry? It's light cured. It's not air. It's not anything. Nope. It's the light that solidifies it. So that's how powerful UV. When people say, "Oh, that's supposed to do it," like bullshit. How do you think this shit gets hot? Paint jobs, when they cover a paint or a car, yeah, blue light's the last light phase that they do. That's why your paint never really falls off. Even after 20 years of having your car, it's still going to be the same color. Cause it may be faded a little bit because of harsh damage. Depending on what you wash your car with, then yeah, it's going to fade down. But it'll still be that color. It's not going to change. And it's because it got cured, just like fingernails. Bro, you got it. You got it. So they can see. Go ahead, see. Yep. Perfect. Wonderful. Wonderful. I want to do an ab massage. You're the only one I know that has an ab. Everybody else, we're hurting. Ease, or whenever you have time. It doesn't have to be a rush, just whenever you're ready. I feel we never